In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Alchemist trade. First, please access this link kyber.thealchemist.ai/vn/login. We have already provided you with authorized accounts, and you can use one of them to test our product. I will select the account kyber_01. The password is 123456, and then click the login button. You can see the social page after logging in. To begin trading, go to the home page by clicking on the Alchemist logo. Then, in the header bar, click on the Trade tab. You can see several information on the Trade page, such as Bitcoin price drops 10% in the last 24 hours. You can read more about the news by clicking See More. The following is a list of indicator combination, such as RSI14 and candlestick model. This is a combination of the SRI14 and the reverse model of the Japanese candlestick. You can choose type of assets and the time frame. Your trading history will be recorded here on the left side of the page. In the middle, you can see the technical chart, and on the right, you can see a list of suggested trading pair that correspond to the indicator combinations you prefer. You can select from three types of list. The first one is the standard list, which includes the formula tested by the project research team. Using these formulas, our trade can detect chart pattern, analyze and predict trends, then provide users with recommendations to increase the winning rate of their trading strategies, making it ideal for novice traders and users with no prior experience with the Trade feature. The second is My List, where user can modify the formulas provided by the project research team or create their own formulas. And the last is the professional list, which allow users to create a formula for a specific trading pair. When you select a trading pair from the standard list, our trade will provide you with trading suggestions such as entry zone, target zone, DCA1, DCA2, risk, reward, cut loss. If you want to follow our trade advice, please click on the Save button. Your setting will be saved in the history and used for your ranking later. If you want to make changes, please click on My Formula. There will be three types of settings for you to choose: the basic setting, My Setting, and professional settings. The basic setting will display formulas that have been tested by the Alchemist research team. We'll update the formulas later. My setting is where you can create your own formula based on your knowledge and experience. Our trade will automatically find all trading pairs that match your formula and display them on My List tab in the Outtrade feature. To create a new formula, you can click on the Add button. To modify a formula that you previously created, click on this Edit button. And to remove a formula, please click on the Delete button. I will demonstrate you how to modify a formula. So I will choose the bearish engulfing combinate with RSI 7 here. Okay, so you can adjust the parameters. For example, like here, I will choose the RSI 7 and the candlestick model. This is the model names, and here is the name of the formula, the time frame, the entry zone, DCA1, DCA2, and the target zone, stop loss, risk, reward, and the formula. You can adjust these formulas in order to increase your winning rate of the trading strategy. For example, in the original target zone, our trade recommend an 8% profit. However, if you want a higher reward, say 10%, you can change the value from 0.92 to 0.9. Then just click on this button, Create, to generate a new formula. Every 4 hours, based on UTC time zone, our trade will scan data from Binance, calculate indicators, and find trading strategy that match your formula and display them. The last is the professional setting. You can, create a formula customized for a specific trading pair. So this is like the advanced version of my setting. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please let us know. In the next video, I will introduce you the dashboard subsystem.